Hello everyone. In this video, we will follow a young girl who spreads great things everywhere. Let's see how she transformed 2 old messy rooms into 2 new rooms and in 2 different styles. This renovation is not only about creating a spacious, airy space, but also must meet the homeowner's special needs and preferences. Therefore, it requires accurate consideration and assessment to come up with the most perfect process. Especially for children's spaces, they are often inspired by comics or movies and tend to evoke children's imagination and creativity. The walls to be renewed not only to remove mold and waterproofing, but also to make the space cleaner and more spacious. Having a flat and uniform wall background will help the paint layer be more durable and beautiful. The choice of colors can affect a child's mood and creativity. For example, cool colors like blue not only suit boys, but also soothe the space and help the eyes feel more comfortable. In decorative construction, painting more artistic paintings on lifeless walls will increase the liveliness and reduce boredom of the space. Some decorative motifs, such as ocean waves, clouds, and bird wings, not only increase the liveliness, but also help stimulate children's imagination and creativity. You can clearly see the difference before and after adding some decorative motifs. The space has begun to have more depth and visual attraction. Adding curtains can not only conceal the defects of old windows, but also adjust the light entering the room and protect privacy. The blue of the sky brings peace and hope. The green of the grass creates a fresh space. This combination will give us the feeling of standing in the middle of a green grass field under the vast sky. Such a fresh and peaceful space will help arouse children's passion, imagination, and stimulate creativity. Finally, bedding with motifs such as dolphins often evokes associations with the sea, freedom, and joy, bringing a feeling of closeness to nature and helping to create a comfortable resting space suitable for children. On the contrary, with rooms for girls, they are usually a gentle and cute space. Therefore, it needs to be designed to feel safe and comfortable. Appropriate colors and decorations help develop girls' thinking and creativity. Pink is often associated with tenderness, femininity, and sweetness. It helps create a warm, safe, and peaceful space. This is the ideal color to create a relaxing space, helping your baby feel comfortable and at ease in the room. In decorating a girl's room, 3D stickers are a great idea. It makes the room more lively and eye-catching. It creates unique and interesting accents in the room, highlighting monotonous room corners. "3D stickers with many different themes, such as nature, animals, cartoon characters, and fairy tales, will stimulate your baby's imagination and creativity. At the same time, it helps little girls love animals and nature more." The highlight of white curtains in the pink space creates harmony and balance in the space. This helps keep the room from being too dazzling. Most girls often dream of being princesses, so the bed can be designed to simulate a princess style to create a splendid feeling and meet the child's preferences. When children live with their wishes, they will feel loved, which will have a positive impact on their lives and personal development. Finally, some decorative details such as flower vases and appropriately arranged photos will bring comfort and depth to the space. This renovation project not only creates fresh and comfortable spaces, but is also a commitment to comprehensive care for children, the future of humanity. Which space do you like better? Please leave your comments below this video.